Huawei Nova 15 Max versus Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Ang haba ng pangalan. Bakit hinahabaan ngayon? Hindi na pala hotdog ko ang mahaba. So si Samsung pala yung safe bet natin. Laging Samsung na lang ang pinipili natin. Pero di nyo alam, medyo price siya. At medyo kulang yung specs. Kulang yung features. Ano ba nangyayari kay Samsung? Dapat ang pangalan niya, Samsung. Kasi every year, same na lang lagi. Well, this year, naglabas po si Huawei ng mas magandang phone na mas malupit, mas malaki ang battery. The Huawei Nova 15 Max packs a massive 8,500 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery ever among Huawei phones.
What?
Meron pa siyang 6.84-inch OLED display.
What?
Mas matindi pa yung camera. Ito yung kanyang tsura. Guys, preview yan. Oh my God. Wow. Surprisingly, naglabas po si Huawei ng malupit na cellphone na halos kasing presyo na nito. Pero parang times 2 times 3 yung kanyang specs para sa given price niya. Grabe, ang bigat nito. Look at this massive beast. Sobrang social pa niya tingnan at yung camera talaga niya, guys, you have to see this, okay? Alam ko, halos na tayo ay pumipili ng Samsung or iPhone. Well, syempre naman kasi si iPhone na mahal. Pero guys, this year, time to be smarter. Time to be wiser. Time to be Huawei. Because that's the only way. The Huawei. Or hindi, mas okay pa rin si Samsung. Uy, baliktad. Today, malalaman nyo kung gaano nakalaki ang agwat ni Huawei kay Samsung. Medyo tahimik na si Huawei, pero in terms of technology, guys, maingay na maingay to. Yeah.
Huh?
Alamin natin kung okay siya. But thanks for watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. At syempre si Huawei Nova 15 Max. Grabe. This phone is all about the camera. Napakalaki ng camera niya sa likod, talagang front and center. And it's got that blush gold design sa likod. Very shiny, very yayamanin ang dating. And you even get that nice golden watch dial sa kanyang gilid dito sa camera niya. Parang relo lang, no? It's like a huge watch that looks very, very expensive. At the Huawei Nova 15 Max has 3 colors. Blush gold, lake cyan, and golden black. Yes, guys, meron siyang classic star ring design and pearlescent texture. It has that Huawei premium look. Pero nasa mid-range na yung pricing. Pero grabe, no? Sobrang bigat niya. Well, syempre naman, meron siyang 8,500 mAh battery inside. Pero siyang power bank. Speaking of power bank, gaano pa katagal maubos yung battery nito? Pero ko na siya. Guys, ito, side by side with the Galaxy A37 5G. Nag-play kami ng YouTube. Ito, 100% sila parehas. And grabe naman yun. Sobrang durable. Siguro, sobrang laki talaga ng battery nito. Ang layo eh. Ang layo ng difference. It's, guys, kung angkas rider ka, grab. Para all day, every day, meron ka pa ring power. Hindi ka charge ng charge. By the way, speaking of charge, for charging, meron po siyang fast na 40 watt supercharge. Fast charging po siya. At kaya pala naka-Kirin 8000 chipset siya. Kasi yun, guys, very optimized for power po yun. Magaling po siya mag-handle ng power ng cellphone, giving us a very optimized, very long-lasting experience using the phone. And this year's Samsung A37 5G, never talaga. Pero magaan po siya. Magaan, manipis. But then, ang bilis maubos ng battery. Ayun lang. Kaya pala matagal maubos yung battery ni Huawei. Huawei also highlights SGS 5-star battery capacity release and advanced energy booster technology. Basically, it's not just having a huge number. It's about making more usable power available throughout the day. So, ibig sabihin, baka hindi ka na magkaroon ng battery anxiety dito. Dito, baka magkaroon ka ng anxiety. At ito naman, wala. So, syempre, napansin ko din dito, kung gaano kalaki, kung gaano ka-bright, kung gaano ka-vivid ang kanyang display. The Huawei Nova 15 Max is amazing in terms of watching movies, playing games, ito ba yan, Mobile Legends. Sobrang tindi. Hindi ko na masyado gusto yung ring dito for gaming kasi nga, it's in the way and laging tinatamaan sa likod. But in terms of yung specs na kanyang display, guys, this has a 6.84-inch, 120Hz, AMOLED display na may 4,000 nits of brightness. And if you're looking for something na magtatagal buong araw without charging kasi you're always on the move, kailangan nyo talaga na isang phone na hindi lang bright, but also long-lasting. And it looks like si Huawei lang po yung kayang gawa nun. Tapos syempre, kapag nanonood ka ng mga movies, mas malinaw, mas pulido po yung kay Huawei. Mas immersive ang dating, mas marami kang pwede makita. At di lang yun, yung kanyang sound ay mas malakas din. 85 dB po ito mga kaibigan. It's louder than most flagship phones actually. Kasi guys, may ba 67, 77 dB lang po sila. But this one, 85 decibels. Sheesh. Lana, bili kaya ako ng tigisa nito. Isang black, cyan, gold. Wala bang orange dyan para complete? Para may iPhone rin ako ng Huawei. So, nakita niyo ba kanina? Kanina ko ba binabato yung dalawa? Now, both these phones are great for durability. Lalo na yung kay Samsung, talagang matibay siya. Pero guys, si Huawei, the Huawei Nova 15 Max has an extra durable body with SGS 5-star drop resistance, built to handle everyday bumps and drops with ease. Also can withstand up to 100 kilograms of pressure and can handle extreme conditions, from superheat up to 60 degrees Celsius to freezing conditions down to negative 20 degrees Celsius. Don't believe me? Yan na. Gumagana. 1, 2, 3. Hindi ko lang siya dadrop. Talagang ihahampas ko pa siya. Ay! Oh my God. Masyado malakas siya na. What did I do? Walang cut, guys. Oh, diba? Walang cut, guys. Dire-diretso lang yun. Tibay. Sheesh. Walang dents. Kung may dent man to, bibenta ko na to na mas mahal. Guys, safe. Ganun kalakas yung bagsak. Wala problema. Guys, yung table ko, yung nagasgas, yung TT table ko. Totoo guys. Naka-TT table ako dito. Ayan o. Sa gilid, makita mo TT. Yun. Pinapakita ko yung TT sa video. It also has bend resistance up to 100 kilograms pressure and IP65 water and dust resistance for the water test. Tapos syempre ito guys babasa naman siya gamit yung hose. Ang lakas ng tama pero okay pa rin siya. Gumagana pa rin di ba? Swipe left and right. This display has an accurate touch response even in wet conditions. For example, kapag nag-spill ka ng water dito sa screen or kung nabasa siya in general, it is still very much responsive. Scroll, tap, answer calls, reply to text, and access navigation with no problems. Okay, so bend resistance tayo. Joke lang. Guys, AI lang yun, guys. Oh, di ba? Flat pa rin siya. Si Samsung naman. Ito naman, Samsung! Ano nangyari? Hindi na siya Samsung guys, nahati na siya. Sam at Song na. Pero ito ito na yung favorite part ko sa comparison. The comparison between the two biggest smartphone brands in terms of camera. Samsung, malupit yan, 50MP din po siya. Meron siyang 0.6x, 8 megapixel. Pero si Huawei, hindi napapatalo sa 50 megapixel RYYB sensor niya with f-stop 1.9. Tama na ang kalokohan na to. Ipakita ng mga pictures. Go! Ayan na guys. O, di ba? Sino mas malinis? Sino ang mas magandang kulay? Mas detalyado? Kayo nang bahala dyan. Ayokong unahan kayo. Ito pa. O, di ba? Sino? Well, guys, kung ako nga tulungan niyo, totoo lang to. You're getting so much for the same price. Don't make the same mistake as the others.
Basta branded. Basta kilala. Good luck doon.
Guys, why not? Subukan nyo. You will get very good results from this phone. Guys, ito po yung selfie picture ko from both phones. And as you can see, wala na talaga. Iba. Guys, tinan mo yung duck face ko. Mas okay yung duck face sa kabila. Ang ganda na skin ko talaga. Kay Huawei. Pero ito,
Wait a minute.
ko, yung itsura ko kay Samsung. Parang matamlay. Kulang sa vitamins. Dito naman buhay na buhay yung balat ko. Guys, if you want much better color, much better skin tones, kay Huawei ka lang. Looks like it's the only way. The Huawei. Wala lang Google. At syempre, this year, well actually last year pa, last year, nauso na yung mga AI guys. AI phone, AI here, AI there, AI dalas-alas. Na for me, hindi lang po siya gimmick. Kasi, well, some gimmick ka siguro. Basta masabi lang AI, pero di naman talagang ginagamit. Guys, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to use AI, it could be very powerful. Just like kami, naka-AI po kami lagi. Katulad nakita mo sa kanina sa video, di ba? AI po yun. So, nakita niyo ba yung button sa left side nitong si Nova 15 Max? Yes, meron siyang dedicated AI smart control button. For daily use, pwede mong iset yung one tap for everyday apps, double tap for AI apps, and long press for quick action. Wala na pong endless app hunting, bringing effortless efficiency to your fast-paced life and high-intensity work. Grabe, no? Yung pala yung AI, mas mabilis mo na ma-access yung apps. Kaya lang, Vince. Di ba Huawei walang Google? Guys, may Google na po siya. Pagpasok mo dito, kompleto sa Google Apps. Gmail, Google Play Store, Chrome, Photos, Gemini, Google, YouTube, at Maps. Guys, sobrang kompleto. Pero for your most essential apps, banking apps, yan, BPI, Metrobank, Video, kompleto, GCash, lahat ng mga kailangan talaga natin na apps, available na po dito. Dati, siguro hinanap mo pa, hinihintay mo yung update, now is the time. Now, mas marami na po siya. Mas medyo kompleto. With the Huawei App Gallery, you get access to apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Maps, and other Google apps. So yan, natago si Huawei. Oh, di ba? Well, kung siguro, before, medyo mahirap gumamit ng Huawei. But now, pwede kang mag-email dito. Just like usual, meron po siyang notification. Yeah, notification from YouTube. Meron din, just like your usual Android phone. It's like having the usual Android phone, pero naka-Huawei ka with much better specs. Although, syempre, hindi problema yan kay Samsung. Samsung has everything, the Play Store. Okay naman so far experience kapag gumamit ka ng Samsung. But this year, why not? Maybe you should try Huawei. Or kung medyo skeptical ka pa rin sa Google Apps, no? Kapag baka kulang. Pero kasi, what I see, mas marami kang upsides na makuha dito. A brighter display, a bigger battery, a much better camera. You should definitely try the camera on a Huawei phone. Yung Google lang siguro yung nagpe-prevent sa maraming tao na kumuha ng Huawei phone. Actually, alam nyo, when it comes to yung quality ng camera niya, it's leaning towards mga nasa 40,000, 50,000 pesos na camera. No, seriously. Once na meron ka ng Huawei, ang hirap na bumalik. Speaking of bumalik, baka Huawei fan ka. Dati, o bumalik ka na. Magbalik loob ka na kay Huawei. Or kay Samsung. Or kung ayaw mo talaga si Huawei, then Samsung na. Oh, by the way, triple yung price niya. The Huawei Nova 15 Max! First sale starts at June 12 with a special launch price of 19,888 pesos from SRP, 20,888 pesos. So 1,000 pesos off po siya. You also get a 2-year complimentary battery replacement service worth 2,999 pesos. Plus a free stainless thermos worth 1,499 pesos. Huawei Nova 15 Max, the largest battery and biggest screen under 20,000 pesos. Such a bang for the buck. Hashtag Huawei Nova 15 Max. Speaking of banging, bang that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my content. Ako pala si Vince and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Hoo-hoo!